Hello guys, welcome back. In this tutorial today I'm going to share with you one other best Faucet website. You can claim your free Dogecoin from that website. If you like my videos, please subscribe to my channel and watch my other videos. Okay, let's get started. This is the website I want to share with you. This is the website pay you every 10 minutes this much Dogecoin. Okay, go to your Faucet pay, copy your Dogecoin wallet address from here. This is a Dogecoin wallet address, copy it and come here, paste it and just click claim. Solve this capture. This is a motorcycle, just click motorcycle. Okay, available in this picture, just click it and just click check. This solve this capture too. The first one is this one. Okay, and just click get reward. This website pay you instantly in your Faucet pay. You can see this website pay me in my Faucet pay, and this website link available in description. You can see this website pay me instantly in my Faucet pay. Thanks for watching guys. Please subscribe to my channel, watch my other videos. All my videos is free and a free way to earn free cryptocurrency. Bye bye for now.